Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your Mero share account credentials, DPID, and KYC documents so you avoid interruptions. Once done, log in and confirm two-factor authentication is active. This reduces lockouts. Make sure you have a clear scanned ID and your bank details accessible because you will need them mid-process. You should also update your browser and test connectivity to prevent timeouts. Begin the update from your profile settings page and proceed to the next steps. You now perform the core updates. Edit personal fields and replace outdated KYC documents, ensuring names match exactly across records. Mismatches cause rejections. As you upload scans, choose PDF/JPEG under allowed size limits and confirm each upload completes. Then update bank and beneficiary details, double-checking IFSC/account numbers or DP client ID entries because these drive settlements. Once uploads finish, review the summary page, accept terms, and submit the change request so it moves to verification. You finalize by confirming submission and watching for a confirmation message that includes a reference ID. Save it for follow-up. If the platform flags issues, it will list mismatched or missing items. Fix those specific fields and re-upload precisely, because repeated rejects often come from naming or size problems. If processing exceeds the expected timeframe, contact your depository participant or registrar with the reference ID so they can trace it. This resolves most lingering problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.